The 2026 Samsung Galaxy J17 Prime is proof that budget smartphones can still deliver style, performance, and reliability without breaking the bank. Built by the global tech giant Samsung, this device targets users who want a premium experience at an affordable price. With a modern design, powerful battery, and improved camera system, the Galaxy J17 Prime is shaping up to be one of the most interesting mid-range smartphones of 2026. Starting with the design, the Galaxy J17 Prime looks far more expensive than its price suggests. Samsung has given it a sleek, minimalistic body with a smooth matte finish that feels comfortable in the hand. The slim profile and curved edges make it easy to hold for long periods, whether you're gaming, scrolling through social media, or watching videos. The phone also features a large edge-to-edge display that gives it a modern flagship-like appearance. On the front, you get a beautiful 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display that delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. Samsung is well known for its high-quality displays, and even in this budget segment, the screen looks impressive. Watching YouTube videos, movies, or playing games feels immersive thanks to the large display and smooth refresh rate. For content creators and viewers alike, the screen experience is definitely one of the highlights of this device. Performance is another area where the Galaxy J17 Prime shines. The phone is powered by an efficient mid-range processor paired with 8 GB of RAM, allowing it to handle everyday tasks smoothly. Apps open quickly, multitasking is seamless, and even popular mobile games run surprisingly well on medium to high settings. For users who want a reliable phone for daily use, the J17 Prime delivers consistent performance without lag. Photography lovers will also appreciate the upgraded camera setup. The phone features a 50-megapixel main camera, supported by additional sensors for depth and macro photography. Photos come out bright, detailed, and natural in good lighting conditions. Samsung's software processing helps improve dynamic range, making landscapes and portraits look more professional. The 16-megapixel front camera is perfect for selfies, video calls, and social media content, producing clear and well-balanced images. Battery life is one of the strongest features of the Galaxy J17 Prime. The device packs a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of heavy usage. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing the internet, or using social media apps, the battery keeps up with your lifestyle. Samsung also includes fast charging support, meaning you can quickly recharge and get back to using your phone without long waiting times. On the software side, the Galaxy J17 Prime runs Samsung's latest Android-based interface, offering a clean design, smooth animations, and useful customization options. Features like improved security, better privacy controls, and smart battery management make the overall experience even better. Overall, the 2026 Samsung Galaxy J17 Prime is a fantastic choice for users who want a stylish, reliable, and affordable smartphone. With its large display, capable cameras, solid performance, and long-lasting battery, it offers incredible value for money. For anyone looking to upgrade their phone in 2026 without spending flagship-level money, the Galaxy J17 Prime is definitely worth considering.